I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 6 for grade 2 mathematics. We started number patterns in the last class, guys. That how we can identify the number patterns, and in order to write the missing numbers, the first thing and the important thing is to identify the pattern, and by following that pattern technique we can write the missing numbers. Okay, so there was example 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we know 9, 63, 64, 65, and then 66 because we are counting on in ones. So here we started some examples. This was 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. After that what? So I asked you, you said, sir, it will be 29. I ask you why? Because we are counting here on in ones. In 24, when we add 1, it becomes 25. 25 becomes add 1, 26. 26 you add 1 becomes 27, and when you add 1 on 27 it becomes 28. To find that missing number you again add 1 in the number, that is 28, which is before. So you add 1 and you get 29. What was the pattern here? That was counting on in ones or adding 1, right? Here we did one more example. With one example we did with counting backwards. We started from 58, then 57, 56, 55. So when we check it, so we see that after every number, one number is subtracted in order to write the other number. After 58, when you subtract 1, you get 57. When you subtract 1 from 57, you get another number, which is 56. When you subtract 1 more from 56, so it is 55. So in order to find out that number, you subtract 1 from here, and that is 54. So what was the pattern here? The pattern was counting backwards in ones. Okay, here we were counting on backwards in ones, or we were subtracting 1 from each number in order to find out the other number. The third pattern we started, that was started from 20, and then 22, 24, 26. So first we check if we add 1 in 20, so it becomes 21. So we are not adding 1 here because it is 22. So what we are adding in 20 in order to get 22? 1, 2, 21, 22. It is 2. So 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. And 26 plus 2, 28. So we have found out that the pattern is to add 2 or to count on in twos. So if you want to know this number, so you will again add 2 from 28, count up to twos. 28 after 28, 29 and 30. It will be 30. So the pattern we identified here, that was counting in twos or adding 2. One more pattern we did. This was 50. Started from 50 and back 48, 46. So first I check, is it in increasing order or decreasing order? The first number, after first number, the second number is greater than first number or smaller. If it is greater like this, that's mean we are adding. But if it is smaller, that's mean we are subtracting. We are going backward. Okay, like here, you see, when we are counting on in ones, adding. So after every number, the number will be greater. It is in increasing order, but here you will see the number is in decreasing order. It's getting subtracted. So that will help you to decide that you have to do addition or subtraction to identify the pattern. So 50 is greater than 48. That's mean you are subtracting here. In this pattern, the subtraction is done here. Okay. If you go back one time from 50, if you count back, that becomes 49, not 48. One more time. Yes, 48. Two times. One time 49 and two times 48, or minus 2. Again from 48, if you go back one time, that becomes 47. Two times 46. So you got the pattern. The pattern is to minus 2 or to count back 2 in 2s. All right, so 46, you count back 2 times, 45 and 44. And that is how you learned this. Is that clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we will do some example again or no?
Yes.
Very good, guys. Very good, guys. If you did not understand anything, if you want me to repeat anything, so you can send message on the chat box or I can do it for you. Otherwise, I'm going to give you some examples and I'm going to ask you the patterns one by one. So I'm giving you 2 minutes. If you have any question, you can send message on the chat box. I can open your mic. I can explain you. Or if you don't have question, so we will go to the exercise and we will solve some practices. We'll do some questions. Okay, very good. Yes, Sharif, you always have question. Yes.
Sir, we will do some example again or no?
Yes, we will do. Why not?
We will ask everyone or only one student?
No, I'll try to ask everyone, inshallah. But not
Okay.
if someone left today, inshallah, I'll ask tomorrow. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. All right, guys. So we started today and I'm going to share my new screen with you. I hope you can see that. Can you see the new screen, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, I see it.
Very good. Guys, you can see here, this is the first one. Okay, so you have to tell me the missing number. This missing number, I'm going to ask by one of you. And I'm going to start from
Yes, sir. Okay,
Saud. Can you hear me, Saud?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Saud. Please tell me. What number should be there after 7?
7, 8.
Why 8?
Because after in the ordering number 7, after 7 is 8.
Okay, we are counting here in ones or twos.
Ones.
Okay, we are adding 1 in the pattern or subtracting 1? No, look here. This is the first number. The second number is greater than first number or smaller?
Greater.
Greater. That means you are adding. If the second number is smaller, that means you are subtracting. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. All right, guys. Coming to the next. Coming to the next. 22, 23, 24, 25. After this. And this is I'm going to ask by Suleiman Al-Subhani.
What, sir?
Yes, Suleiman. After 25, what number should be?
60.
Sorry? Yes, Suleiman? Okay, if you don't want to answer right now. Rafiq Samir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what will be the next number after 25?
26.
Okay, how do you know?
Is one. This is 1 after 25, 26.
You are counting in ones or twos in this pattern?
1.
1. Okay. Are you adding 1 in the pattern or subtracting 1 in the pattern?
What? Subtracting 1.
Adding 1. How do you know? Because you will see the next number. After first number, if the second number is greater, that's mean you are adding. If after first number, the second number is smaller, that's mean you are subtracting. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, guys, we are going to have one more pattern, and that will be or this one again. We have one more pattern here. So this is I'm going to ask by one of the student and Omar Shahir. Omar Shahir. Can you hear me, Omar Shahir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Omar. Can you tell me what number will be the next after 44?
45.
How do you know?
Because we are right for on ones.
Very good. We are counting in ones. Or we are adding here in the pattern or subtracting?
Add.
Adding. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Who is the next? The next is Mantar. Mantar, can you hear me? Mantar, can you hear me?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Can you tell me after 62 what should be there?
76.
76. Why?
Because the 66, it's
After 62, I am asking this one. What should we write?
56.
36. Why? Look here. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. After 62, what should be?
63.
63. Okay. Why 63?
Because the 62 is after 36.
Because 63. You are adding in ones or twos? Tell me. You are adding here in ones or twos?
2.
Sorry? You are adding here in ones or twos? Tell me.
2.
In ones. When you add 1 in 55, it becomes 56. 1 in 56, it becomes 57. Same here, you add 1 in 62, it becomes 63. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Okay, guys, I will take one more student and Muhammad said. Muhammad said, can you hear me? Muhammad said, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, Muhammad. Can you tell me what will be the next year after 38?
40.
How do you know? Yes, how do you know?
What?
How do you know it will be 40? Yes. Are you counting in ones or twos? Tell me first.
I count twos.
Twos. Okay. Very good. He said there should be a 40. Okay, I will take one more student to ask to answer this after 46. And after 46, what we are going to write? Muhammad Ashraf.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, after 46, what should we write?
6.
Yes. Look at this pattern and tell me, after 46,
48.
why?
48.
Okay, why? Why 48?
Because we are counting in twos.
Very good. Very good. Are we adding in twos or subtracting in twos?
Adding twos.
Adding twos, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Very good. Why do you, how do you know we are adding? Because the second number is greater than first number.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, I will take one more student. And this is Muhammad Asad. Can you hear me, Muhammad Asad?
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Asad, can you help to write this missing number? 55, 57, then what?
59.
59. How do you know? Yes, how do you know?
Because
55
and 57.
Sorry. You are counting here in ones or twos?
Twos.
Twos. Okay. Are you adding 2 or subtracting 2?
Two.
Subtracting 2. Okay. Let me check with one more student. And Muhammad Sami. Muhammad Sami. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad Sami. Okay, Amjad. Wait. After 65.
After 60.
Check this pattern and tell me after 65 what number should be?
67.
67. How do you know?
We add 2.
Very good. We add 2. Okay, that's very good. Or we are counting in ones or twos?
Twos.
Twos. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Okay, guys. Again, I'm going to have one more pattern. And this is the new pattern I'm going to have. Okay. For this, I will ask. Yes, Amjad. Can you tell me this number? Check this pattern.
Yes, sir.
Check this pattern and tell me the missing number.
It's 35, 75, 85, and 80.
Just tell me about this. Is this 85? Why it is 85? Why it is 85? How do you know
Because
it is?
because 86 is more than 65.
86 is more than? No. Are you counting in ones or counting in twos?
Counting in ones.
Counting in ones. Counting backward? Or
Back,
not?
yes. Counting in backward.
Okay. Let me take one more student. Yes, Sharif.
I know.
Yes, tell me. Sorry.
82, 81. Will be, the answer is, I know.
Yes.
80, 81. Sir, will answer will be 80.
80. Okay, why 80?
Because we are in every number we subtract 1.
Very good. Okay.
And we counting backward in 1.
So very good, Sharif. Very good answer.
And also adding subtract 2.
Okay, that's very good, Sharif. Good to hear your answer, guys. Here, look at the pattern. After first number, the second number is smaller. That's mean we are not counting. We are counting backwards. Okay. We are not adding. We are subtracting. Because this is bigger, then we are going smaller. Then again smaller. So we are subtracting. How much we subtracting? From 88, if you go back one time, 87. From 87, if you go back one time, 86. So in order to find out that number, go back one time from 86, you will find 85. From 81, go back one time, you will find 80. This is very good. This is the again. We have some pattern and I will ask you okay. Miraj, can you hear me? Miraj. Miraj, can you hear me? Please open your mic. Iyad, can you hear me? Iyad.
Yes.
Okay, Iyad. Can you tell me this number? This is the pattern. Identify the pattern and tell me the number. Missing number.
27.
27. Okay, how do you know it is 27? Yes.
Sub 1 minute. Sub 1 minute only.
Okay, tell me one thing. Are you adding here or subtracting here?
Subtracting here.
From one number to another number. Are you adding or subtracting? Look, this number is bigger. This is smaller. This is bigger. This is smaller. If you add 1 in this number, it should be bigger, right? But it is not bigger. It is smaller. That means you are doing subtraction here. Okay. That means you are going backwards, counting backwards. Okay. From 31, how many times you go back to reach 30?
25.
I'm asking from 31, how many times you go back to reach 30? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. How many time? Go back. How many times? 1 time. Only 1 time you go back, you will find 30. Right? Okay. Wait, because I'm going to take this answer from one of the students and then I'll explain. Ilyas. Can you hear me, Ilyas? Yes, Ilyas. Can you tell me about this number? About after 25, what number will be? Sorry. 24. You are very far from your mic. Okay, close your mic, please. Why 24?
Because I add 1.
Because you add 1 from right to left. You are not. If you look from here, you are not adding 1.
Back.
From left to right, okay? You are subtracting 1. Because this number, after this number, another number is smaller. So you are subtracting 1. Okay, or you are counting backwards. Okay, for both of the students, I'm repeating. This is, we are counting backwards from 31. We are counting backwards. Okay. We are subtracting 1 because the second number is smaller than the first number. Okay. Now I'm going to give one more. And that is this is the next pattern. Yes, guys, this is the next pattern. 21, 19, 17, and then what should be here? And I'm going to ask by, I hope you all are solving, okay? Even I'm asking to one of the students, but you all have to answer by yourself and you have to check whether your answer was correct or not. Okay, after Ilyas, this is Os. Can you hear me, Os?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Os.
Yes.
Can you tell me answer of this? After 17, what number should be?
After 17,
Yes.
5.
5. You mean this? Why 5?
Because 90 and 70, 80.
But here
Go
look.
back and
Mm-hmm.
and 7 come.
Look, this is 21. You go back 1 time, it becomes 20. You go back 2 times, it becomes 19. How many times you go back to reach 19?
2.
2 times.
2.
And
2,
again,
2.
okay, from 19 again go 2 times back. What you get? Yes, from 19 again go 2 times back.
70.
Okay, then go back 2 times again. What you will get? 15.
4.
Very good.
15.
So this is 15. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, now I'll take one more student. And after Oz, Arsh.
Yes.
What is your full name, Arsh?
Arshid.
Arshad.
Yes.
Okay, so use your full name, okay?
Okay.
Can you tell me what number should be the next after 11?
9.
9. Okay, very good. How do you know?
Because that.
We are counting backwards, or we are counting simple, or we are adding, or we are subtracting. Check the pattern.
We are adding.
We are adding. How we are adding? This is 21, then is smaller, then again is smaller, then again is smaller. How we are adding? If we add in 21, it become greater, 22, 23, 24. But it is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So we are not adding here, we are subtracting. Check how much we are subtracting from one number to another number. Yes. From 21, go back. How many times you will go back to reach 19? Start counting back from 21. 20 and 19. How many times you go back? 2 times.
2 times.
1 times you go back, you will reach 20. 2 times you go back, 19. From 19, go back again 2 times. You will reach 17. Check 18 and 17. Is that right?
Yes.
This is the whole pattern. Look here, 11. Go back 2 times, you will reach 10 or 9. Right?
Yes.
So from 5, go back 2 times and tell me the answer.
Three.
Very good. The answer is 3. The answer is 3. We are subtracting 2 here in this pattern. So I hope guys you understand this pattern. And one pattern from all of you I'm going to ask. And you all have to answer it. Guys, tell me the missing number in the chat box. Tell me the missing number in the chat box. Saud, very good. Muhammad Abdul Rahim, very good. Amal, very good. Muhammad Farooq, very good. Rafiq Samir, very good. No, Rafiq, this is wrong. You did mistake. Amjad Muhammad, very good. Yes, guys, tell me the missing number. Muhammad Al-Sagir, no. Saud, very good. Adam Khalid, no. No. Ahmad Al-Rufai. Muhammad Al-Sagir, yes. Sulaiman Saleh, very good. Ilyas, very good. Sharif Ahmad, very good. Adam, very good. So the answer is here 114. So guys, with this pattern, our class time is finished. Inshallah, we'll do some more practice tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.